the pollution, those amounts increase. Depend of the pollution, for example, this one is not good. Carbon monoxide is not good. This is a bad ingredient. But the carbon monoxide increase. Now we are going to analyze with the amount of cars, gas and diesel, because the majority of the carbon monoxide is coming from the incomplete combustion of internal combustion engines, gas or diesel. Right now we are going to check what happened and why the carbon monoxide destroyed the environment. What is for what reason? What is the phenomenon? Okay, let me explain something. The majority of those bad components, nitrous oxides, sulfur oxides, carbonic oxides, those are produced for the incomplete combustion of internal combustion engines, gas or diesel. This is the picture. The nitrous oxide, sulfur oxide, phosphorus oxide, carbonic oxide. Those oxides, combined with humidity, with water, produce acids like nitric acid, sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, carbonic acid. Those are acids. Yeah, this is acid rain. What happened with the pressure of the air? The pressure of the air at the sea level is around 14.7 pounds per square inch. What is the meaning of that? 14.7 pounds per square inch. This is psi. 14.7 psi at sea level. Nice. And what happened when the altitude increase? Oh, the pressure decrease. Exactly the same like with the concentration of oxygen. You have higher concentration of oxygen, around 21% at the sea level. But at higher altitudes, the amount of oxygen is less. For that reason, at higher altitudes, you need oxygen, or your car needs a turbocharger to compensate that difference. In order to understand that, we are going to talk about the ozone. What is the meaning of the ozone? What is the formula for ozone? Is O3. Is O3. You remember that the oxygen, the molecule of oxygen, is 2 atoms of oxygen, the single oxygen. O2 is 2 atoms of a single oxygen. You remember how many electrons have oxygen in the last orbit? Oxygen have 6 electrons in the last orbit. Is in the group number 6. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Oxygen have 6 electrons in the last orbit. Okay, and both atoms share a couple of electrons, and both of them, at the end of the day, they have 8 electrons in the last orbit, the octet rule, and that molecule is stable. But that relation is not strong. It's not permanent because it's covalent. You remember? It's covalent. It's not strong. It's not permanent. It's covalent. For that reason, separate that molecule. Separate that molecule is easy. And this is the problem with the ozone. Yeah, this is the ozone. Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Why carbon dioxide is not bad? Because that molecule is stable. That molecule is stable. You remember, you have a one oxygen, other oxygen. Each oxygen have 6 electrons in the last orbit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, the black ones, and the carbon have 4 electrons in the last orbit. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which one have more energy? Oxygen, because oxygen is located in that corner of the periodic table with more electronegativity. Oxygen need or attract 2 electrons from the carbon. Okay, this electron is going here, the other one is going here, this one is going here, the other one is going here, and this one complete 8, and carbon 0, and that molecule is stable. try to avoid use air conditioned equipment. The Freon, those gases destroyed the good ozone. They are fluorocarbons. Fluorocarbons. You remember that slide? This is the component of the Freon, the refrigerant. Fluorocarbons. Fluorine, chlorine, carbon. That's no good. Okay? You like it?